Welcome to ZK Skybound Aviation, your ultimate destination for premium reviews of the most luxurious vehicles in the world. In today's video, we explore the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome RV, a perfect combination of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge innovation designed for travelers who demand both comfort and style on the open road. The exterior of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome RV captures attention instantly with Cadillac's signature design language. Its bold front fascia showcases a chrome-accented grille flanked by vertical LED headlights, giving it a sophisticated yet powerful presence. Aerodynamic lines flow smoothly along the body, ensuring reduced drag and improved fuel efficiency. Large alloy wheels enhance stability while adding to its elegant stance. Retractable side expansions increase interior living space, and integrated awnings provide shade and shelter for outdoor leisure. The motorhome also comes with a 360-degree exterior camera system and hidden storage compartments for added convenience during long journeys. Step inside, and the cabin reveals Cadillac's mastery of craftsmanship. Premium hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents set the tone for luxury living. The spacious lounge area features recliner-style seating with massage and heating functions, while a large Ultra HD display paired with a surround sound system turns the space into a private cinema. Ambient LED lighting can be customized to suit your mood, creating a relaxing environment for both short and long stays. The kitchen is designed like a modern home, equipped with advanced appliances including a smart induction cooktop, convection oven, a high-capacity refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine. Ample counter space and intelligent storage solutions make cooking easy and enjoyable, while the overall design blends seamlessly with the luxurious living space. The bedroom offers the comfort of a 5-star suite. A king-size memory foam bed ensures restful sleep, with climate control settings tailored to individual preference. Generous storage, retractable smart TV, and premium bedding add to the sense of exclusivity. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and touchless fixtures, giving you a spa-like experience on the road. Performance is where the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome RV surprises many. Powered by a hybrid system combining a high-output gasoline engine with advanced electric motors, it delivers strong horsepower and torque while maintaining efficiency. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth, quiet ride, absorbing bumps and uneven terrain effortlessly. Handling is precise for a vehicle of this size, showcasing Cadillac's engineering expertise. Technology is at the heart of this RV. A fully integrated AI assistant manages everything from navigation to semi-autonomous driving in suitable conditions. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and emergency braking ensure safety at all times. The infotainment system is fully connected, offering voice commands, live updates, and seamless integration with mobile devices. Safety features include blind spot monitoring, pedestrian detection, and collision avoidance systems, providing peace of mind on every trip. For long adventures, the Cadillac Motorhome RV offers solar panel integration for sustainable energy, a large-capacity battery for off-grid stays, and a water filtration system for extended independence. Climate control adapts to extreme weather conditions, ensuring comfort regardless of the environment. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome RV represents the future of luxury travel. It combines Cadillac's heritage of refinement with modern innovations to deliver a vehicle that is as elegant as it is functional. Whether parked in a remote scenic location or gliding down the highway, it promises a travel experience unlike any other. This is ZK Skybound Aviation bringing you another detailed review of the finest machines redefining travel and luxury. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exclusive reviews of the most advanced motorhomes, private jets, and aviation technology, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more incredible journeys into the world of luxury travel, right here with us.